Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in a spoiler alert notification to your photos or videos when sending them on Discord. So I'm just going to select a picture real quick. For instance, this photo contains a spoiler alert, so I'm just going to select spoiler attachment. Then I'm going to press enter. And as you can see, you can only select it or see the photo if you select the spoiler button, and then you'll be able to see the image or the video. But if you didn't press on it, you won't be able to see the image. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.